Hello cubers, in this video I will tell you how I solve Rubik's Cube, which method I use. I use CFOP method and I average 16 seconds or 15. In this Campbell, I do white cross here. First I make cross, the cross pieces are here, here, here and here. First I'm doing, the cross is done and I'm going for F12. First pair is this man. We'll do like this, inserted. And the second pair, insert in the back. And third pair is these two, which I do like this. The fourth pair is these two. Then OLL, I use two look OLL and PLL, one look. Then the U-form. Here is that how I solve a Rubik's Cube. Subscribe for more videos.